Hello Patrick people, and welcome back. I'm Stephanie, one of the BMW geniuses here at Patrick BMW. So today I'm in the 2019 330xi, and I wanted to talk to you guys a little about gesture control. So what exactly is that? Well, it's where you can interact with your iDrive system totally hands-free, almost. You still need to move your hands around, but when I say hands-free, I mean you don't have to touch any buttons, you don't have to press the screen to really control major functions of your iDrive system. Now, what I mean by that is, let's say you want to turn up the radio volume a little bit. So what you're going to do is you're going to point your finger just right, let me show you, get you guys a better view of what's going on. So what you're going to do to control the volume of your radio, if you're listening to your phone, you got that through Bluetooth, you got your Sirius XM, AM, FM, doesn't matter as long as they're listening to something. All right, so what you're going to want to do is take your pointer finger, hold it about a foot above your gear selector, and what you're going to do is you're going to make a clockwise motion with your finger. Now you can hear and see. Ooh, a little too loud there. So now you can see it turned up the radio volume. And now if I want to turn down the volume like I just did, you're going to go counterclockwise. Just like that. Now, say you want to change the radio station, and I'm just going to turn this guy up just a little bit so we can demonstrate. So say I want to go back a channel. What you're going to do is you're going to take your hand, making a palm face down, and you're going to swipe it over. You're going to swipe it over the gear selector, just like that. So now you can see we're on 51, and now we are on channel 50. Now say I want to go up a channel, you're going to take your palm facing up and just do the opposite. And now we're back on channel 51. Now let me just mute this radio here for a minute. Now say you're getting an incoming phone call and you don't want to touch the screen, you're driving, you know, distractions are bad. So say you want to pick up an incoming phone call. All you're going to have to do, and I'm just going to go to the communication menu so you guys get a little better idea. So if you want to accept an incoming call, you're going to just point towards the screen like, yes, I would like that phone call. Now you don't actually have to touch that screen, you can just point towards it. The camera will pick up what you're doing and it will answer that phone call. Now say there's a call that you don't want to accept. What you're going to do is take your hand like this. You're just going to wave to the right like, nah, I don't want that phone call. Now you can also do this wave to the right movement if you want to cancel a voice command, which is really nice too. If you know, say you got your, let's do an example. Say we got navigation on. We want to, let's see, go to Portillo's.
I have found several
and just whoop. And now you can see that motion of my hand actually stopped the speech function, which is really cool. Whoop. No, we don't want that. You can also press the home button, but I just find waving to the right is a little easier to cancel out a voice command you don't want to necessarily hear anymore. And of course I am showing you guys this gesture control on iDrive 7.0, which does come standard for the 2019 330xi. Now I know it does vary depending on the year and of course the iDrive system that you have. So if you do have the iDrive 7.0, it'll look something like this. You will have these gesture control functions. Alright guys, well thank you again so much for joining me. Again, I am Stephanie with Patrick BMW, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, Patrick people.